For example, now we will take this case. Okay, in this case, to find the maximum value, we have the position starting was 5, and to find the maximum we will go back, and then we will come back from here and then continue here. So in that case the answer will be 7 plus 1 8, it came back, then plus 2 10, and then 10 plus 4 14. So this is the answer in this maximum answer. Okay, so what we are going to do is, here this is the code, and I took the variable L, R, N, answer sum, and this is step one more function we are going to make to check. This is the function. Okay, so first of all, my left is 0, right is 0. Okay, and by the time right is R is smaller than N, I am going to add it to the sum. So sum fruits right of I. Okay, so right of I, this is my fruit array is given 2D array. Now sum is fruit, sum in sum we have to add fruits right of I, right of 1, sorry. So this is right is 0 at present, so I'm going to add the amount 9. Sum will be 9. Okay, now L should be lesser than equal to right. This condition is satisfied. Now I have to check this condition. So for this is my another function I made. So this is my function, and there I am going to take the start position, right and left pointers, and the fruit 2D array. Now we have to return mass dot absolute. First we are going to take absolute because distance can't be negative. Okay, so start position in this case it's 5, and since the value R and L both are 0, so the value will be same. Okay, so and it is taking the 0 element, so 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Then here again these values are same, one is plus, one is minus, so these both values cancel out. Okay, and here the value of my k is equal to 4, so the value of this one is greater than 4, that is the greater than the value of k. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract this value from my sum. So again it became 0, and I'm going to increase the left pointer. Now the answer is equal to with the maximum of both answer and sum, and since both are equal to 0, it will stay like this, and the return right pointer will be increased to 1. Sorry, here it will be 6, n equal to 6. Okay, now we'll go to, now again right is smaller than n, so I'm going to increase another value. So in that case right is 1, here I'm going to increase this value, that is how much it can take, 1. Sum will become 1. Okay, now again left is lesser than equal to right, yes it is. I went to this function step. Now here again my left and right are equal, so the minimum of these two values, here also it is the same I meant. Okay, these two values will be same. What is my starting position? 5, and the position of fruits of 1 of 0, it is 4, equal to 1. Okay, and again these two are equal because right and left are equal, so these will be cancelled out. Now I'm getting this value as 1, so this is the value 1. Since it is smaller than k, we are not going to go inside this for loop. Now what will be the answer? It will be 1. And again after updating my answer, my return value, I'm going to increase it 2. Again R is smaller than n, I'm going to add my sum next amount in this, that is this one. Okay, so 7, sum plus 7, that is here it will become 8. Now again left is smaller than right, yes, and I went into this function. I'm going to here, now here I have to calculate because the left is 1 and the right is 0. Okay, so start position is 5, and take like this 5 position, and right of 0, that is this one, it is 0. 5 minus 5 equal to 0, and if I do 5 minus 4 equal to 1, which one is minimum? Obviously this one is minimum, so we are going to 0. Now fruits right of 0. What is right of 0? Right is 2. So here plus 5 minus left of 0, that is left 1, minus 4. So the value came 1. Now again 1 is smaller than k. It is not greater than k. This condition is not satisfied. So we are not going to run in this for loop. Again answer will be updated. Which one is maximum answer and sum. So my answer is updated to 8. And then again right is updated to 3. Then again r is smaller than n. We are going to repeat the same function. Sum plus equal to fruits r of I. This one I'll take this time. So I'm going to add 2. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Now again L is smaller than R, and again I will go into this condition. My start position is 5 minus fruits R of 0, that is 6. 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1. But here we have to find absolute value because distance can't be negative, so we will turn it plus 1. Okay. Now similarly, if I take for the left value is still 1. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So both the minimum will be same only, right? So I will do 1. Then fruit right of 0. This is 6 plus 6 minus left is 1. Okay, so minus 4. So 7 minus 4, 3. 3 is also smaller than k, so it won't go into this condition. So again answer math.max answer sum. I am going to update the value of my answer since 10 is greater than 8. Yes. Okay. Again right is increased. Again 4 is smaller than 6. I am going to increase the value of this. I will add this to my sum. 10 plus 4, 14. Right. Now again left is smaller than right, and I'm going to check in this condition. And when I check 5, r of 0, what is the r of 0? 7. R of 0, 7. 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2, but since we are going to use the absolute value, so that's why it will be plus 2. Okay. Now 5 minus left of 0, 4. Which one is minimum? Obviously 1 is minimum, so we are going to take this minimum value and then going to add and minus this value. What is the fruits right of 0? It is 7, and then we have to reduce the left of 0, 4, so it is minus 4. So 8 minus 4, so it is 4, but still it is not equal. It is not greater than k. It is equal to k but not greater than, and for our condition we need to find the only greater ones. So it won't go to this loop, and then again answer it will be updated since 10 is smaller than 14. Okay. And right is increased to 5. Again right is smaller than n. Right is smaller than n. Okay. Sum I'm going to add this value. Last one, this one. It was going like this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm going to add this value, 9. 14 plus 9, 23. Now left is smaller than right. Yes, it is. Then I will go to this function. Okay. And then if I calculate, start position is 5. Right of 0 is going to be this 10. And since we have to find absolute value, it will be 5. And if I do for left one, it is 4 again. This one smaller value. This is a minimum. Now fruits right of 0, that is 10. So it is going to be 10 minus left of, which is 4 only, which we have for a long time. So 11 minus 4, 7. It is definitely greater than k, which is equal to 4, right? Sorry, I didn't write here that the value of k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 here. Okay. So So we are going to run in this loop as both the conditions are satisfied, both are true, and means both conditions should be satisfied, then only we can go inside this loop. So I'm going to reduce what left equal to 1 in this. 23 minus 4.